Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. These are the materials we'll be using in this video. We have the measuring tape, scissors, stitch markers, crochet hook. I'll be using 3.5mm hook on this video. Let's see, 3.5mm, and I'm using this needle. I'm going to be doubling the strand because if I'm using one, it's kind of too slim for me. See, so I'll be doubling the strand. Then of course we have the needle here. So let's get started. So we'll begin with the magic ring. This is how I look like. Grab the yarn from here. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to crochet 6 plus this chain, making 7. So this chain is going to stand as a double crochet. I'm going to crochet more 6 crochet to make it 7. So we have 1. So this is how to crochet a double crochet if you don't know how to. First of all, you yarn over, insert your hook, pull through the yarn, circle, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, just like this. You'll be left with 2 loops here, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. This is a double crochet. So we're going to be making this double crochet into 6 places. 7, let me see. So we have 2 already, 1 and 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then let's close it. This circle here. Let's grab this shorter thread and drag it just like that. So we're done with row 1. Then row 2, chain 3, then turn your work. So in the next stitch, we're going to make a V-stitch, and this is how to make a V-stitch. Make a double crochet in the next chain, 1, make another double crochet in that same stitch, 2, and then chain 1, and in that same chain, crochet another 2 double crochet, just like this. And in the next stitch, we're going to make a front pulse like this. The front first double crochet, and in the next we're going to make another V-stitch. Chain 1, 1, 2, and in the next we're going to make another front pulse double crochet. In the next a V-stitch, chain 1, 1, and the last stitch we're going to make a double crochet just like this. So we have 1, 2, 3 V-stitches and we have 1, 2 front pulls. So you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn our work, and we're going to continue with our V-stitch in this chain 1 space here. We're going to make a V-stitch. So 1, 2, chain 1, 1, 2. And the next thing we have here is the front pulls with it. So here we're going to work back post double crochet. So watch carefully because we're going to be making increases on this row. So instead of making a 1 post double crochet like this, 1 back post double crochet, we make 2. This is 1, and in that same stitch we make another back post. Okay. So back post double crochet just like this. So you see we have this stitch, then 2 back post double crochet because we're making an increase, and then another V stitch in this chain 1 space. One, 2, chain 1. And we'll repeat the same thing, an increase here with the back loop, back pulls and double crochet, make an increase. I don't know why this is kind of stressful. And the last V stitch, 1, 2, chain 1, 1, 2, and our last double crochet just like that. So we're done with row 3. 1, 2, 3, yes, with row 3. Then we chain our 1, 2, 3, turn our work. So on this row, these places that we have our increases, we're going to create another V-stitch there, like here and here. So let me show you how it will look like. So we make our V-stitch here, 1, 2, chain 1, 1, 2, and here we make our front pulls like this, and in that same place in the middle of these 2 front pulls we're going to make a V-stitch here, 1, 2, chain 1, and 1, 2, 2, just like that. And we'll go ahead and do our front pulls double crochet like this. So you see we've created another V-stitch here. Just continue with the pattern. Chain 1, 1, 2. And repeat the same thing here. Front pulls double crochet, V-stitch, 1, 2, chain 1, 1, 2, front pose, double crochet, and then our last V-stitch, 1, 2, chain 1, 1, 2, and lastly double crochet in the last stitch, just like that. So we have 1, 2, 3, this is the 4th. We're going to continue this pattern until we get to 7th row. So chain 1, 2, 3, V-stitch, chain 1, 1, 2, just like that. Then back pose, double crochet, another V-stitch. So we're just going to be working with this pattern until we get to row 7, and I'll show you what to do. So guys, we are back at row 7. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to be our row 7, and I said we're going to be making an increase here. So after the chain of 3, as usual, we turn our work. On this next stitch, we make a double crochet. This is going to stand as our first increase, and then continue with the stitch, V-stitch pattern. 1, 2, chain 1, 1, 2. And on the next stitch, you're going to make a double crochet. And the next, the front pose, you skip this one and do the front pose. Sorry, back pose, double crochet, just like that. Next, we skip this first stitch, and on the second stitch, we make a double crochet. Then our V-stitch on this chain 1 space. Chain 1, 1, 2, and this we make 1 double crochet, skip this, then back pose, double crochet. We skip this, and this will do with the double crochet, and on the chain space we make a V-stitch. Chain 1, 1, 2. Skip this, and the next one, skip this, back pose, double crochet, skip this, next, just like so, till we get to the end of this row. So let's see what is happening here. Just like this. It's just coming out very fine. Then we chain 1, 2, 3. See how this is looking from here. This wrap up size is for size small and medium. Yeah, for size small and medium, and I'm having the 5 inches measurement. So I would advise, if your breast is a bit bigger than this, you should use the breast cup to do the measurement. Okay, so from here you'll be working with no increases until we get to row 14. So until we get to row 13, and on the 14th row we're going to be doing something different. So meet it there at row 14. Also right here on the row 13th of this work, and this is how our breast cup is looking like. So what we'll be doing, let me count this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. On the 14th row now, we're going to be making a decrease. Sorry, we're going to be making a decrease this time, and this is how it's going to be. Instead of in this stitch, that's the V stitch, instead of making 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, we're going to be making 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, just like that. 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. So this is how the increase is going to be. Then our front pose, double crochet. The next 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet, just like that. Then front pose, double crochet. So we're going to continue like this till the end of the row. And the last double crochet, just like this. So you see it's kind of shrinking. So this is the last decrease we're going to be making. No, not the last decrease, sorry. We'll chain 1, 2, 3, 10 hour. And we'll be making 1 double crochet in each stitches. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just like that. I don't know if you understand. So in this chain space, we're going to be making 1 double crochet. Like this. And in the front post chain, we're going to be making front post instead. Like this. Chain in the chain space, 1 double crochet, front post, double crochet, the chain space, 1 double crochet, and front post double crochet to the end of this row. You will see how our work is shrinking at the other end. Maybe at this end. And the last double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. See, let me take this up. So this is how black up. Yeah, so we're going to be making one double crochet on each, and we'll round up our work with half double crochet and slip stitch. Anyone that is preferable to you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So if we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 double crochet at the end. So what we'll be doing next is to round our work with a half double crochet or single crochet. Some people prefer using single crochet, but some people prefer using double crochet. But I think I'm going to be working on single crochet here. It makes my work more. When you chain 1 on your work, so 1, 1. This is how we're going to be working till we come back this way. So in each of these double crochet spaces, we make 2 single crochet and then just like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. I don't know, I just like doing it this way. It gives the work a clean end. It makes it. I have to work on this too to be able to hide it, to save me using the tapestry needle. So basically we're just going around. When I'm done, I'll meet you when we begin. Okay, so we're at the end, and what we'll be doing is to slip stitch the first one here. Let's find the new slip stitch. Chain 1, first in your work and cut your yarn. done with the first cup. Done with the first cup. Let me just do like this, but this is how it should look like when you put it on your breast. You will see how it will look like. So I'm going to make the second one, and I'll show you how to join the work. So this is going to be where we'll be working on the back side, and this is going to be the chest area that is going to attach to the other side of the bra cup. Make sure when I'm done with this. Okay guys, so this is our two breast cup. What you're going to do is to join this chest area together. Then we'll work on the arm area, the back area, sorry. So first thing we'll be doing is, I didn't cut this particular distance because I want to leave it to just tie the knot there. Okay. So I'll be using it to join these two parts like this. And that magic thing we created from the beginning of the work, that's going to be our marking point of joining. Whether you're seeing what I'm doing, let me repeat that again. In the first slip stitch, single crochet from our margin ring to the other side. This is where the magic ring points is, and this is a single crochet right after it. Yeah. Just go in. Sorry. So just go in with a slip stitch. Tidy. So from here, when we're done with our work, we will be able to pass the yarn out. So this is our first part, right? So I'll be working on the back side here. If you're working on your back side, you use your measuring tape. Yeah, measure your bust area, and my bust is 31. My bust is 31. So it depends on the way you want your back to be. Okay. So here is already giving you 30. So if you say 31 divided by 2, so whatever you get on your bust area is what you're going to divide by 2. So your front panel will take half and the back panel will take half. Okay, so here I'm having 15 and half. So basically that's what we do. So guys, after working on this, I made a chain of 18, and we're going to cut. I don't know if I should cut or should just do. Okay, I'll cut first. Come back through that way. And we'll do the same thing on the other side here. So we're going to reattach our yarn here. And this is how I normally attach my yarn. Just like this. Chain 3, This stands as a double crochet, don't forget that. And 2, 3, 4, so we should end up having 10 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 10 double crochet like this, and then chain 3, turn your work, and this is where we're going to be doing our decreases. We're going to reduce this, so instead of completing this double crochet now, we are going to stop here. So we are having 2 more loops on the crochet hook, and then we yarn over, insert our hook through 2, and we're left with 3. Then we yarn over and pull through all the 3 together. So this is a decrease. We're going to do decreases on this row 2 times. That's from the beginning and the ending side. Let me just show you how I do mine. Okay, so when you're left with 3, like this, 1, 2, 3, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 stitches. So what you do is yarn over, just the same process we did at the beginning of the row, without completing. Lots of 3, and you can put all the 3 stitches, and the last double crochet. Okay, we are counting how many stitches we have here now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 instead of 10. That means we remove 2 from this. Okay, so we're going to do the same process in the next row.